Good afternoon, children. Welcome to our new academic year. All the best to all my dear students. Today, we are going to revise about place value chart. Place value chart. Before that, I will explain you what is place value. Okay, when we write numbers, we use a set of 10 digits. When we write numbers, we use a set of 10 digits. 10 ഡിജിറ്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ എല്ലാ നമ്പേഴ്സും എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ, ദോസ് ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ആർ 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits we are using to form a number. Okay, the value of those digits depends on their position in a number. Each digit has a value, but the value of those digits depends on their position in a number. Let me explain this, children. Here, a 4-digit number is given, a 4-digit number. The number is 4528. 4528. Here 8 1 minute. Here 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 5 hundreds place and 4 thousands place. Okay, 8 ones place, 8 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 5 hundreds place and 4 is in thousands place. Okay, so the digit 4 has a value of 4,000. 4,000. That is 4 is in thousands place. So the value of 4 is 4 into 1000, 4,000. Okay. Similarly, we can find the value of all digits here. Next 5. 5. Okay. 5 is in hundreds place. So the value of 5 is 5 into 100 is equal to 500. This is the value of 5 here. Then 2 is in tens place. So the value of 2 is 2 into 10 is equal to 20. And 8 is in ones place. So the value of 8 is 8 into 1 is equal to 8. These are the place value of the digits given in this number. The given number is 4528. 8 in ones place. So its value is 8 into 1, 8. 2 is in tens place. So its value is 2 into 10, 20. 5 is in hundreds place. So its value is 5 into 100, 500. 4 is in thousands place. So its value is 4 into 100, 4,000. Okay. So the value of a digit in a number depends on the position in a number. Position. Okay. If the digit is in ones place, we should multiply that digit by 1. If the digit is in tens place, you should multiply by 10. If it is in hundreds place, multiply by 100. If it is in thousands place, multiply by 1000. If it is in 10,000s place, multiply by 10,000. Okay. So children, the value of a digit depends on the position in a number. Let me explain one more example. Here we put a 1 in each place of the column. Okay. In each place of the column, the digit is 1. So we have the number 1111. 1111. 1111. Okay. Now we will find the place value of each digit. Okay. In ones column, the digit has a value of 1. As I told you, if the digit is in the ones place, you should multiply by 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Okay. If it is in tens place, you should multiply by 10. So here the value is 10. If the digit is in the hundreds place, multiply by 100. So the value is 100. 100. If the digit in the thousands place, you should multiply by 1000. So the value is 1000. Here the number is 1111. 1111. Okay. See here, the place value chart of two systems are given, that is Indian place value system and international place value chart. Okay. Here we are using the international place value chart. Okay. We are using because our publications are international, so we are using international place value chart. In Indian system, the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, and so on. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. These are in ones group. Okay. Ones, tens, hundred, ones group. Then thousands and 10,000s in thousands group. Lakhs and 10 lakhs in lakhs group. Then crores and 10 crore. It will continue. Okay. We will read this as 23 lakhs 19,670. This is in Indian system. Okay. First three places, that is ones, tens, hundreds in ones group, thousands and 10,000s. TH is for thousands, TTH is for 10,000s. This belongs to thousands group, and lakhs and 10 lakhs is in lakhs group. Okay. So first you read the number and say the group name. So here it is 23 lakhs 19,670. This is in Indian place value system. But in our system, that is here we are using the international place value chart. First three places is in ones group. That is ones, tens, hundreds. These three places belongs to ones group. Then thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s is in thousands group. Thousands, 10,000s, TTH 10,000s, HTH 100,000s belongs to thousands group. The next group is millions. Millions. Here we are not using lakhs and crores. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, this belongs to millions group. Okay, so here in this chart, the digits given are 2, 3, 1, 9, 6, 1, 7. 7 ones place, 1 tens place, 6 hundreds place, 9 thousands place, 1 10,000s place, 3 100,000s place, and 2 millions place. Okay, let me read this number. First read the number. In millions group the digit is 2. So 2 million, 2 millions, then 319, that is 319,670. Okay, we can read this number as 2 millions. First read the number and the group name, millions. Then read the number 319 and group name, thousands. Then 617. So the number is 2,319,617. Okay. Put comma after each group. So we can write this as 2, 319, 617. 617. Read it as 1 minute. 2 millions 319,617. Okay, 617 is in ones group, 319 is in thousands group, and 2 is in millions group. Read it as 2, the number, then group name, 2 millions, then 319,000s, then 617. This is the international place value chart. Okay. I will explain you one more example. Here the digits given. First I will read the digits. 9 in ones place, 8, 9 ones place, 8 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place, 6 in thousands place, 5 10,000s place, 4 100,000s place, then 3 1 millions place, and 2 10 million place, and 1 100 million place. Okay, there are 3 groups, 7 8 9, that is hundreds, tens, ones in ones group, 4 5 6 in thousands group, and 1 2 3 in millions group. Okay, first we will write the number 1 2 3 comma 4 5 6 comma 7 8 9. Okay, then how will we read this number? As I told you, first read the number and say the group name. So 123 million, 123 millions, 456,000 and 789. Okay, we will read it as 123 millions, 456,789. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now we will write few numbers in a place value chart. Here in this number, the places from ones to millions are marked. Okay. First, our first number is 7. 7 is a single digit number. Only one digit. The number has only one digit. So, we can write 7 here. Okay. Next is 73425. 73425. How will we write this? Here 5 in ones place, 2 tens place, 4 hundreds place, and 3 thousands place, and 7 in 10,000s place. Okay, then group it. 5 to 4 comma, that is they are in ones group. 5 to 4, then 73. We will read it as 73,425. 73,425. Okay. I will show you one more example. Three, 7, 6, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay. Start from the ones place. 2, 1, 5, 4, 6, 7, 3. Okay. How many digits this number have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a 7-digit number. Now we can group this number. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Comma. Then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Comma. Okay. So this number is 3,764,512. Okay. 3,764,512. Okay. So here the place value chart is a chart which shows the different place value heading columns in order. Using a place value chart, we can show the different place value. Okay, different place value. Here we can say the place value of 2, that is 2, 2 into 1, 2. Then tens, that is 1, 1 into 10, 10. Here 5 into 100, 500. The place values. Okay. Then 4 into 1000, 4,000. 6 into 10,000, 60,000. Okay. So using the place value chart, we can say the place value of each digit. A place value chart is a chart which shows the different place value heading columns in order. Okay. We will learn more about the place value chart in the next class. So children, when we write numbers, we use 10 digits. To form a number, we are using 10 digits. The digits are 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. These are the digits we are using to form a number. Then the place value of each digits depends on their position in a number. Position in a number. Okay. So children, listen this video carefully and do the given work in your classwork neatly. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Hope you all understood this. Thank you children.